In logarithm, you notice that after you learn all the tactics, you learn all the skills, somehow you still cannot solve. Because it's linked to indices, and these are the mistakes that you must avoid. Write down the first one. 8y, 8 bracket 2y equals 16y. Write down. 8y, 8 bracket 2y equals 16y. And this is wrong. And this is wrong. So to make it less confusing, cross the equal and make it not equal. But the real thing I want you to know is why. Because I tell you cannot do, you will do it. Let's start. Is it because not same power? Now, you help me write. This is 8 bracket 2y. This one is actually bracket 2 times 8 times 2 y. Okay? It's very hard to swallow this because what I'm writing is not equal. It's actually not equal. So there is a line like that. What I'm trying to demonstrate here is 16 itself is 8 times 2. Alright? And to the power of y. If I want to expand the power inside, because last year I learned it can, I expand the power inside, I notice that this is 8y times 2y. And is the left and the right hand side the same? Who get the extra thing? What is the extra thing here? The 8y. The 8 power y. The 8 power y cannot be there. Because over here there isn't an 8 power y. And now you understand they are not equal? Can, Now, then the next thing is, I want you to draw a line. I want you to draw a line and then write down the correct thing. So this is a wrong versus right column. Wrong versus right. So how then you can simplify this? So what is the correct thing here? 8 bracket 2y should be equal to what? What can I do? First thing, I convert to same base. Same base means 2 power 3. So 2 power 3. So you write 2 power 3 times 2 power y, 2 power 3 plus y. So this acts as a reminder that it's not 3y, it's 3 plus y. Stop. Okay, I start. Now, out of these 3 steps, one step is wrong. Which step is it? The second step. I told you the first step is correct, so it's the 50% chance. So this step is wrong. So this step is wrong. But can you tell me why is it wrong? Can you tell me why is it wrong? You square it. As in you box this up and then you write this is wrong. But can you tell me why is this wrong? You cannot. So I write a statement. You cannot add log to individual terms in equation. What does it mean? How many terms do you see here on the left side? 2. Can I log? Cannot. When can you add log? When there's only one term. So, example. 5 2x equals to 6. Can you add log? Can. Log 5 2x equals to log 6. This one no problem. Because one term only, I can add log. Who can try and show me why is this wrong? Again, Who can try and show me why is this wrong?
The same number.
Because I tell you, right? When there are 2 terms, you cannot add log. But who can tell me why this statement, if this statement is correct, I simplify and then I cannot get back the same one. Let's try. Because what? If I have two terms like that, if this is right, I will combine, and I combine it become what? Multiply. And multiply, do you see the mistake already? You see, So I draw an arrow down, I write. If this is correct, then the next step will be 5x times 2x equals to log 5, right? Do you follow this step? Because if this is correct, the next step is I can combine these two together to be this. And based on our knowledge, if I have two things with log, what can I do? Can I remove them? Can, right? Because if both sides got log, I can say the inside equals to the inside. That means I can say 5x times 2x equals to 5. Now, you highlight this and you highlight this. Are they the same? Really same? What is different? You change the question entirely. You change the question from original it was plus. But because you choose to add log, now become multiply. So can these two be the same? No what? Now you understand why? It's not because Mr. Low say cannot add log into individual terms. Not like that. But because if you choose to add log, later on when you combine, you remove the log, you change the question entirely. Next valid question is then how to solve this. Since you cannot add log both sides, the correct way to solve, very good, use substitution. So I write the correct way. Let y equals to 5x, comma, y square equals to 2x. Then you write y plus y square equals to 5. Then you solve from here. Now I received question asking me, Cher, when do I know I need to add log? When do I know I need to use substitution? The answer is when you cannot add log like this. Again, when you cannot add log or ln, you must use substitution. Simple. If you can solve by this, if you can solve by adding log both sides, you continue, don't need to use substitution. But if you cannot add log, then you have to consider substitution. Do I have to write this sentence in words? No need. So go and play back the video, listen. I will see you tomorrow. We will continue with this homework. So can I request all of you, stop.